Shifting focus to Nepal, tensions escalated in the country's parliament after opposition and ruling party lawmakers engaged in a verbal spat over the absence of Prime Minister Balendra Shah from the House proceedings. The clashes escalated on Tuesday after the ruling Rashtriya Swatantra Party lawmaker Jagdish Kharel described the ongoing obstruction by the opposition as drama. In fact, following his remarks, Nepali Congress lawmaker Narendra Kumar Kerung became visibly enraged and moved towards the front of the chamber, pointing fingers at Kharel and shouting in protest as well. The opposition lawmakers were furious over his aggressive remarks and the criticism of opposition protests. Nepali Congress chief Basanta Thapa also accused Prime Minister Balendra Shah of moving ahead with what she described as arrogance of majority. Thapa claimed that the government had failed to make parliament and parliamentary committees effective. Opposition lawmakers have accused Balendra Shah of avoiding parliamentary accountability, while noting that he has not appeared in the House since leaving during the President's presentation of the government's policies and programs. House Speaker Dol Prasad Aril has assured that the Prime Minister Balendra Shah is preparing to appear in Parliament and respond to issues. However, he did not mention a specific date or even tentative time for the event. And getting us more on this is our correspondent Saloni Murarka, who sent us this report from Kathmandu.
Political tensions continue to escalate inside Nepal's parliament as opposition parties protest over Prime Minister Balendra Shah's absence in the House. This protest has entered its third week. During the last House proceedings, there were heated exchanges between the ruling lawmakers and opposition lawmakers, disrupting the House proceedings and deepening the ongoing deadlock. The opposition parties accused Prime Minister Shah of avoiding parliamentary accountability after he failed to appear in the House following President's address on the government's policies and programs. The Speaker of the House, however, has said that the Prime Minister will soon address the concerns raised by the lawmakers in the House, but no fixed timeline has been announced yet. And sources told WION that Prime Minister Balendra will address the House within this week, during which he will talk about Nepal government's foreign affairs and domestic affairs. I'm Saloni Murarka, reporting for WION from Kathmandu, Nepal.